In this video, I am making vegan steak fillets. The first part of this recipe is super simple. We're going to take all of our ingredients except for the vital wheat gluten and we're going to put it in a blender and blend it into a smooth, creamy sauce. Now that we have this creamy sauce, let's go ahead and pour it into the vital wheat gluten and mix it up really well. Then we're going to go and get our hands in there and knead the dough. Not too much, probably about 30 seconds overall to fully get it all mixed in together. Once you have all of that dough together, you have a pretty large dough ball, and you can go ahead and break it apart into about 4 to 5, maybe even 6 balls, because these are going to be your individual steak fillets. So if you want smaller fillets, break it into smaller pieces, but I'm going with 5 total. Now you want to go ahead and shape the steak fillets, wrap it tightly in some aluminum foil, and then you're going to steam it. So this is one vegan steak fillet. It's pretty good. I definitely like this steak fillet. There's a couple modifications that I did make to the original recipe, as well as there's other modifications I would make in general, but I didn't want to take away from the integrity of this original recipe. I'll save that for another time when I make my premium steak fillets. However, when it comes to this recipe, I thought it was great, right? I set out to make a vegan steak fillet, and I did. It worked. It was good. I would have it again. So, 2 thumbs up for this recipe and these vegan steak fillets. I have another with gluten vegan steak fillet coming up, and then I have some gluten-free options as well. So come back and stay tuned for some more great recipes, because I'm your friend with food benefits, and I will see you again real soon.